Hey everyone, I am so pumped you're here because today we're diving straight into your ultimate guide for mastering your Golden One Credit Union banking details. We're going to take information that might seem a little dry and make it incredibly clear and super practical for your everyday financial life. So, are you ready to crack the code to one of your most vital banking details? Seriously, don't miss out, because in this explainer, we'll unravel everything you need to know about finding your Golden One Credit Union routing number with absolute ease. It's kind of like this secret key that makes your whole digital financial life possible. Okay, here's our roadmap for today. We'll start by unlocking routing number secrets. Ask, why Golden One Credit Union? And then get right into finding your routing number. After that, we'll cover avoiding common banking pitfalls, dive into some actionable banking insights, and finally, wrap things up with a quick conclusion and disclaimer. All right, Section 1, Unlocking Routing Number Secrets, the mechanics behind the 9-digit banking code. So what actually is this thing? Well, an ABA routing number is a 9-digit code. And get this, it was actually created way back in 1910 by the American Bankers Association. It basically acts as a digital address to identify a specific U.S. financial institution for your electronic transactions. The first 4 digits pinpoint the Federal Reserve District, the next 4 act as the unique institution identifier, and that last digit, it's literally a mathematical check to prevent tampering or typos. Pretty cool piece of history running our modern banking, right? Moving right along to Section 2, why Golden One Credit Union, a California banking powerhouse? Okay, so Golden One isn't just your average local branch. They're actually the 6th largest credit union in the entire United States. We're talking about managing over $20 billion in assets. That's massive. They process transactions right through the Federal Reserve Bank of San Francisco, and their headquarters are right there at 8945 Cal Center Drive in Sacramento, California. But here is the really awesome part. Despite being so huge, they use just one nationwide routing number for all their personal consumer accounts. Next up is Section 3, Finding Your Routing Number, the keys to your Golden One accounts. Now for the big reveal. You've got to make a really clear distinction here based on your account type. If you're doing personal banking, checking, a sole proprietorship, or just a domestic wire transfer, your routing number is 3211-75261. But, and this is a big but, if you're using their business services, it's a totally different number, 1211-82852. Definitely make sure you use the right one to avoid any annoying transaction delays. So where do you actually find these numbers in the real world? Step 1 is super easy. Just check the bottom left corner of any printed Golden One paper check. Don't use checks? No worries at all. Step 2 is to just log right into the Golden One mobile app or online banking to view your account details securely. And if you're still stuck, Step 3 is to simply call Golden One member service directly at 1-877-465-3361, or just pop into a branch for some support. To give you a visual, check this out. This is exactly what consumer incoming wire instructions look like. You can clearly see the 32117-2561 ABA number displayed right there. That's what you'd hand over to someone for everyday consumer wire transfers. Now compare that to this one, the business incoming wire instructions. You'll notice it shows the distinct 1211-82-852 ABA number instead. It is absolutely crucial you don't cross your personal and business wires here. Which brings us perfectly to Section 4, Avoiding Common Banking Pitfalls. Don't get lost in the numbers. All right, here is the number one mistake people make, and I really want to make sure you avoid it. Do not confuse your routing number with your account number. Think of it this way. Your routing number is just the bank's digital zip code that identifies Golden One Credit Union as the destination. Your account number, on the other hand, is your specific street address where the funds actually live, and it's usually 8 to 12 digits long. You absolutely need both. All right, let's look at Section 5, Actionable Banking Insights, putting your routing number to work. Let's put this into practice. You'll use your routing number for 2 main types of transfers. First, we have ACH transfers. These are batch processed, usually take about 1 to 3 days, and have low or literally no cost. They're absolutely perfect for setting up your payroll direct deposits and automatic bill payments. Then we have wire transfers. These have individual processing, often happen with same-day speed, but they do come with higher fees. You're going to use wires for urgent or high-value stuff, like, buying a house. Now, what if you're dealing with international money? Well, you can't use the standard 9-digit ABA number. You'll need a SWIFT or BIC code. For personal and sole proprietor accounts, it's GCUNS 62. For business services, it's GCUNUS 6201. A couple of important callouts here.
Golden One does not support IBANs at all. None. And for inbound currency, it's US dollars only, so anything else will be converted.
Let's bring it all home with Section 6, Conclusion and Disclaimer, wrapping up your banking guide.
Okay, rapid fire recap time. The ABA routing number is a 9-digit code absolutely essential for your direct deposits and transfers. Golden One uses 3211-75261 for personal and 1211-82852 for business accounts. You can easily find it on checks, the mobile app, or by calling customer service. Never ever confuse it with your individual account number. Always safely store your banking details to protect yourself against fraud. And hey, if you found this explainer helpful, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable banking insights.
Just a quick professional note before we go. Disclaimer. The information in this explainer is current as of our production date, but please make sure to verify all routing details directly with Golden One Credit Union, just because banking procedures can definitely change over time.
I'll leave you with this thought. If your routing number is your bank's secret zip code, how many other financial digital addresses do you use every single day without even realizing it? Kind of wild when you think about it. Anyway, keep learning, stay focused, and I'll catch you in the next explainer.